Well, it is the end of October, and this is my last video on the straw bale gardening. I'm definitely going to do it again next year. This is what the straw bales, if you saw my first video, they were, brand new straw bales. It just turns into basically just compost. So, that's going to break down. I had 4 of them. And I had flowers growing, as you can see, the peppers, I gotta pull those out. You name it, everything worked well. There's a bunch of other peppers, but down here you'll see the carrots. They're just popping out, so you can grow nice, big, healthy carrots in these straw bales. And I had 0 weeds, and this little monster, which comes in the garden and ruins things, it really kind of helped having them elevated a little bit. But yeah, it's, like I said, definitely going to do this again. That is a nice looking carrot. And on this particular bed, I was growing just leaf lettuce, and just sprinkle right on top of there. With the leaf lettuce, I did throw a little bit of potting soil, and then but for the carrots, just direct sow the seeds, and goo delicious. So, but yeah, I would again highly recommend it, because what I'm trying to do, this is just my second year here, I'm trying to build the soil. I just started with a plain backyard, and I've been doing the old hauling in wood chips, and my chickens do a lot of the rooting up now that all the flowers are out. But today I did my cut the flower bed. I'm planting crimson red clover, but I'm going to be cutting up dahlia tubers this afternoon. Such a beautiful day. But again, if you have any questions, please leave them below, and please subscribe if you haven't, and make it a great day.